Welcome to the December 2022 issue of Onsite Installer. Installers know that straightforward solutions aren't always the norm. In many areas, they're the exception to the rule. Jesse Brown shares how he enlists local experts when the going gets tough. Retirement. What's that? Don't wait until you're 60 to start planning. Take these steps now to put your future self in a good position to actually retire. We catch up with Clint Britt, a member of the Colorado Professionals in Onsite Wastewater. We ask the interesting questions, and his answers don't disappoint. The Alabama Onsite Wastewater Association does important work, including donating new septic systems. Read about one project, an 1,800 gallon per day system, and the team of installers and contractors who made it possible. Cape Cod is expected to see new nitrogen restrictions in early 2023. Find out what it means and check out what's coming in a few other states as well. Competent contractors in the on-site industry demand quality products. We list those products here in our On-Site Innovations special feature. Erosion control is a job to be taken seriously. See what a poor job looks like and how to avoid repeating these mistakes. On-site installers face unique problems, and it only makes sense that they create their own solutions. And that's the case with this innovative alarm system for monitoring tanks in remote locations. Onsite Installer is your magazine. Share your ideas with us at editor@onsiteinstaller.com. Thanks for watching, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and see you in 2023.